song either. That was awkward. I'm going to a surprise party! Surprise! I like surprises. And I like you too. I really like my friends. I wish I had some. You always say I'm too hyper, but I don't think I am at all, do you? It would hurt if you took a bite out piece of me. You want a piece of me? Huh? Okay, well I gotta go get a bath and wash off, so bye. I love you. Bye. 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 Shut